Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Rover how to decline a request. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you need to decline a request on Rover, whether you are not available or it's not a good fit, what you need to do is head over and open up your Rover app. Then once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the inbox icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. Then once you are here, what you need to do is select the pending tab, then tap the request you want to decline. Now scroll down and you'll find an option that says decline request. All you gotta do is tap on that, then select the reason for declining. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is confirm the action. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.